Hi, if any of the buttons on your iPhone are broken or you've got problems, if your home button or power button is broken or any of the other physical buttons on your phone, you can get a software setting so you can do it directly from the screen. Just go into Settings and General and scroll down to Accessibility. Scroll down until you see Assistive Touch and switch this on. Now, as you can see on my screen, got this white little dot. I can also just move it around, and with this I can set up favorites. I can push the home button, or I can do any other physical button activity such as volume up, volume down. I can mute and unmute the device, and I can do even more, such as shake the phone, take a screenshot, pull up the multitasking bar. Anything you can do with your physical buttons, you can do with this as well. The only thing you can't do is physically switch off your device. The only thing you can do is lock the screen, which essentially is like switching off the device, but it does not power it down. So yeah, until you've got your home button or power button fixed, this is a great thing to have. So yeah, until you've got your home button or power button fixed, this is the best thing you can do. Fixing the power button is quite a challenge, but fixing the home button is quite simple. I'll see if I can post a video on how to do both of these things at some point on my channel. So have a look on there. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, and if possible, click on some ads. Thank you.